Sige terima kasih dapat 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 Manipur gi koi Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur Baik Honorable 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕋𝔸 Manipur State Film Development Society 𝕙𝕎𝔸 gi Chairman gi Gurungbo Thogai Sepugi di ba Baik Honorable 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕋𝔸 Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur Masih terima kasih dapat Pemsida 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℚ𝔻𝕋 Rajagi 𝕙𝕝𝕋𝔸𝕝 Commissioner amadi Honorable Minister na Kai Tobiduna sebagai karpet asida sapi kami. So mungkin sana masih terima kasih dapat Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℚ𝔻𝕋𝔸 as well as Chairman Manipur State Film Development Society. Masih terima kasih dapat dan karpet Haji MSFDSP Secretary 𝕙𝕝𝕋𝔸𝕝 Commissioner Minister di tuan-tuan staf single learner. Sekitar masih kita melihat karpet itu seperti I would like to announce Chief Secretary of Manipur, Sir Sri P.K. Goyal, will tap on the red carpet.
Matay dia.
Nasigi Gurungbo 16th Manipur State Film Awards 2024. Nasigi Mekub Sida by Batok Sida by Batok Nasigi Taman Batok Sida Nasigi President 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℚ𝔻𝕻 Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur as well as Chairman MSFDS Amadi Honorable Minister Art and Culture Tourism, si K.S. Vacancy, si Thorong Masida, Yoshi Birengal. Best style artist कोई पिक्चर फिल्म category को नो थम्पार फिल्म दगी 𝔸𝕷𝔸𝕝 लाइसम रेड कार्पेट तो सभी बनी पिक्चर फिल्म category को नो Best style artist awardee Devi 𝔸𝕷𝕸𝕝 लाइसम for the film थम्पार पिक्चर फिल्म category को नो Best Makeup Artist Award kidabag 𝔸𝕷𝕸𝕝 haina mingtholebo film asigi makeup artist ani Apuzam Ragini Devi amadi Wangzam Sandrimasanu Best Makeup Artist Award kidabag hauji red carpet sapiri Masih award kategori di mana sana kisah film dia na Best Sound Designer for film Maribak Nimba Hea Sondra 𝔸𝕝9𝔸𝕝 Maribak Nimba Hea Sondra haina mingfoleba film asadagi kisah film kategori dia na Best Sound Designer award mengbiraba 𝔸𝕝9𝔸𝕝 hauji red carpet sapiri
Center 得嚟喎，加到喎。
Welcome, sir, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Bala and First Lady for auspicious program 16 Manipur State Film Awards 2024. We are welcoming, sir, Sri Ajay Kumar Bala, Honorable Governor of Manipur and First Lady, as well as 𝕸𝕋𝸸𝕋𝔸𝕝, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur and Honorable Minister 𝕸𝕋𝸸𝔸ℝ𝕼, Tourism and Commissioner 𝕸𝕋𝸸𝔸ℝ𝔼, Sri 𝔸𝕝𝕃𝕄, as other dignitaries on the red carpet. The era Production 16 Manipur State Film Awards 2024 Palace Auditorium NSFDS on Tuesday, Thursday, May 28th. So we are welcoming Sir Sri Ajay Kumar Bala, Honorable Governor of Manipur, and First Lady, as well as Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur and Chairman NSFDS Sri 𝕸𝕋𝸸𝔸𝕝, Honorable Minister 𝕸𝕋𝸸𝕸, Sri 𝕸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼, and Chief Secretary, Sri 𝕸𝕋𝸸𝕝, and Commissioner 𝕸𝕋𝸸𝕝, Sri 𝔸𝕝𝕃𝕄, Governor of Manipur.
Manipur ki film lovers sing, aduga film enthusiasts sing, especially ngasi award phungbi ga doriba award sing punamak kamoi sena sinjari beginal pidini adongi kabi mo sia suku picture ko makoi litan don kharaj.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we kindly request everyone to please rise and welcome our respected chief guest of today's function, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Bala, our respected President of today's function, Sri 𝕸𝕋𝸸𝔸𝕝, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, and last but not least, our respected guest of honor, Sri 𝕸𝕝𝕃𝕝, Honorable Minister, Art and Culture and Tourism.
Ngasi chief guest wina lengsin bigadori bikai kumjariba Sri Ajay Kumar Bala Singh, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri 𝕸𝕝𝕃𝸝𝕝𝔸𝕝, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, ngasi President and Winner Guest of Honor Sri 𝕸𝕝𝕃𝕝𝕝, Honorable Minister Art and Culture, kusenjariba pamsi yaurepak loni na hozik stage lengsin bire.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain standing for the national song, followed by the national anthem and the state song.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्सनां पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् कोटिकोटिकण्ठ कलकलनिनाद कराले कोटि भुजैर्हित खर करवाले अबला के नमायित बले बहुबलधारिणी नमामि तारिणी रिपुदलवारिणी मातरं वन्दे मातरम् तुम्हि विद्या तुम्हि धर्म तुम्हि हृदि तुम्हि मर्म त्वं हि प्राणा शरीरे बाहुते तुम्हि मा शक्ति हृदये तुम्हि मा भक्ति तुम्हारै प्रतिमा गणि मन्दिरे मन्दिरे वन्दे मातरम् त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरणधारिणी कमला कमलदलविहारिणी वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि कमलां ममलानतुलां सुजलां सुफलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् श्यामलां सरलां सुस्मितां भूषितां धरणीं भरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Nalaibak Manipur, Manipur, Koloy Nangi Manipur, Manipur, Lai Janungi Mani,
Narakilay ram
Bigtag na mga Chowbini,
inungbong dagi haurati
Chinglo na Palon Karibi, Sanglin Pijon Sepi, Chanbi Haibi, Chingnalim na Ngantoy Ribi,
Kainayang kukmawong Shumhat niya'y oy bisag tamni
Puro gi ahan ba, kung dapang oy ribi, nagsanaw yung ꕸ𝕬ꕸ Khoirung momon minog ay tingni
Shanana itak haubalam
Lupana konggol tinbalam Sangbanatiyana Pizang oibi Manigong mga naibini Sana laibak Manipur Manipur Tuloy ng di Manipur Manipur Tuloy ng di Manipur Manipur
봄나먹고 다gat자리 세샤기 봄남동 랭신 비난다바 놀나 한gat자리.
We now invite Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 IAS, Commissioner Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, to felicitate the dignitaries on the dais as a token of respect and gratitude.
아시기 랭신 비르버시 게스트 프레지던트 아마송 게스트 오브 오너기 마팜다 신자리 베기 마이케디기니 kudur posting matang-matang kudur tambina bagi damag Commissioner Art and Culture winale biriba Sri 𝔸𝕬𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 salengsin birle.
To our respected chief guest of today's function, Sri 𝔸𝕬𝕉, Honorable Governor of Manipur. We welcome you, sir. Thank you so much for your gracious presence. Next to our respected president of today's function, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri 𝔸𝕬𝕝 Ikay kunajariba, Honorable Chief Minister, Manipur, ngasigi tharamasigi, tharamapuoy na lingshin biba taram nokchari, ikay kunaba uchari.
Sige matanda Sri 𝔸𝕬𝕝, Honorable Minister, Art and Culture and Tourism. Ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Commissioner sir, for doing the honor. Now to mark the ceremonial inauguration of this prestigious event, may we request the dignitaries to kindly proceed for the lighting of the inaugural lamp, a symbol of wisdom, creativity and enlightenment.
Asigi taurum hagokser pamatamda aseng malang labamera sukachadana sembi mapugi mapamda kurumjabani kolok palok dan mai pak na taurum paktok sangamjege hanin lapiri bakwai punamak puningdagi paubiraga Kwadi hana apung pawa nungai banu mit ma woina nwa mera sukut bi thorum sida isai pampam dagini sarugya bina banol seri.
Thank you very much for doing the honor. We now request the dignitaries to kindly release the official award catalogue of the 16th Manipur State Film Awards 2024.
16th Manipur State Film Award 2024 ge official award catalog officially released of Jabagi Tanjani ngasigi chief guest when election beliba president amadi guest of honor loinana Commissioner Art and Culture hariba official award catalog si lapire bokhoi pun bakaloinana officially released of the foundation.
Thank you very much for doing the honor. We humbly request our respected dignitaries to kindly take their seats in the auditorium and continue to grace the program with their esteemed presence while witnessing the cultural performances.
Housing a guest president of the guest of honor, Hananai Kuna, Sinjaraba Pampam Langda, Lengsin Birba Matunda, Taurumgi, Marakta Hapchariba, Marueba, Manipurgi, cultural program Mamani, Tangta, Hariba Torumsi, yes, Priya.
Before we present to you the cultural performance, we'd like to take a moment to honor and felicitate Madam First Lady, Srimati 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻. To do the honor, once again, may I have the privilege to request Secretary, Manipur State Film Development Society, Shri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼.
ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯡꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯨꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯥꯂꯣꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯊꯥꯡꯇ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡ.
Cinema and culture are inseparable reflections of identity and heritage. To begin the cultural segment of today's program, we present a glimpse of Thangta by the Huyen Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association, a magnificent expression of the martial traditions and artistic legacy of Manipur. The presentation showcases three distinct forms of Manipuri Thangta. First, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼, second, 𝕸𝕋𝔸𝕝, and third, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼, reflecting the discipline, agility, courage, and rich martial heritage of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Manipuri Thangta.
thao tu vio nong da lai ren pa khang ba na chi chi ren ye lom thang ba sana na lung khum chan ba na chi chi ren oi rom thang ba lupa na lung khum chan ba sawa tu khum khuding da sana na kongon thin ba sawa tu khum khuding da lupa na kong kup chai ba chat la nung sit kum ba hamma nung gum ba maning tam ba helayo khun chau re ba lai chau na ba ma hai ma rong chum na ba lai pa ning thau yai phana ba na nai na ha ma cha sing na maram nung sit ba khau sa tam jage
Java.
Manipurgi tanglaba martial art form ni thangta. Hariba Thoramsi Huyal Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association Hariba Association Sigi tanglaba artist ngakani lengsin beri bakwai pun makim pum da kudol tamjakre artist ing thagas bo pungdok jari pum kusu thagas bo pungdok jari.
May we now respectfully invite Sri Ace 𝔸𝕻𝕋𝕻 IAS, Commissioner Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, to deliver the welcome address.
Puno Pu Kurumjari. A very good afternoon to everyone. It's with immense pleasure and privilege that I stand here to welcome all of you today, the 20th May, to the 16th Manipur State Film Awards presentation organized by the Manipur State Film Development Society here at Palace Auditorium. Manipur State Film Development Society is deeply honored and grateful to have respected Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼, Honorable Governor of Manipur, as the chief guest of today's function. Sir, it is with profound honor that I welcome you to the 16th Manipur State Film Awards presentation. We thank you for the support and guidance in promoting production of films in the state. Let me also welcome the First Lady of the state, Srimati 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 with equal fervor. I have the privilege to welcome Sri 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕋𝕸𝕝, Honorable Chief Minister, as the President of this function, held to honor and award the people connected with filmmaking. Sir, right from the beginning, you have been taking a keen interest in the development of various art forms in the state. Once again, I welcome you, sir. Next, I take the pleasure to welcome Sri 𝔸𝕻𝕻 ℎ Honorable Minister Art and Culture, as the guest of honor to this program to award the prestigious Manipur State Film Awards. I'm also delighted to welcome Dr. Puneet Kumar Goyal, the Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur. Sir, your presence has shown your keen interest in the films of the state. These awards could not have been possible without the painstaking work of the jury members. I thank them and welcome them warmly. Let me also welcome some of my colleagues who have both from civil and uniformed services and our esteemed invitees. Your presence has also added celebratory fervor to this event. I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the award winners and accord a cordial welcome to them. We also welcome all the directors, cinematographers, actors, editors, sound engineers, singers, musicians, and all others associated in making of films. You may not have won an award today, but your contribution is immense, as the Best Film Award may get awards in one or two categories, but we all know that to become the best film, one has to contribute. I mean, it's a contribution of everyone which makes the best film or the best direction. With equal enthusiasm, I also welcome the brothers and sisters of media fraternity. With these few words, I welcome you all once again. Thank you very much.
Sri 𝔸𝕻𝕻 IAS, Commissioner Art and Culture, Government of Manipur.
May I now have the honor to invite Secretary, Manipur State Film Development Society, Sri 𝔸𝕻𝕻 to deliver the keynote address.
Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri 𝔸𝕻𝕻𝕝, respected Chief Guests, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻, respected President of today's function, Honorable Minister of Art and Culture, and Tourism, Sri 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕋𝕸𝔸𝕋𝔸, respected guests of honor, dear awardees, distinguished guests, members of the film fraternity, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼. The 16th Manipur State Film Awards 2024 is a special occasion to celebrate the talent, dedication, and dreams of our filmmakers, critics, writers, technicians, and artists whose contribution continue to shape the journey of Manipuri cinema. On behalf of the Manipur State Film Development Society, I express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected dignitaries for gracing this occasion. Your presence, sir, is a great source of encouragement to the creative minds across the state. I also would like to express my sincere appreciation to the distinguished jury members whose careful deliberation and commitment to recognizing excellence have made this ceremony meaningful. Manipur cinema has come this far not because of abundant resources, but because of passion for storytelling. Our films reflect our history, pain, resilience, beauty, humor, and dreams. Yet, what we have achieved so far is only a glimpse of what is possible. The remarkable achievement of Bung, winning India's first BAFTA in the children and family category, has reaffirmed this potential of Manipuri cinema, not only as a cultural force, but also as a source of employment, tourism, and economic growth. I'm happy also to inform the gathering that another Manipuri feature film produced by Srimati Jani Biswanath, a philanthropist and a founder of Healing Lives, is also all set to embark on the International Film Festival circuit. What our film sector urgently needs is a stronger ecosystem, modern infrastructure, institutional support, and a film-friendly environment that can enable filmmakers to create works for national and international audience. With this shared dream, MSFDS has submitted a proposal to strengthen the film ecosystem and develop world-class infrastructure in the state. If realized, it can truly become a game changer for Manipuri cinema. At the same time, opening our rich and unexplored landscape to national and international production can generate meaningful opportunities for tourism, employment, and creative exchange. Before I conclude, I express my heartfelt congratulations to all the awardees whose work continue to inspire the future of Manipuri cinema. I also pay special tribute to Oja Ngangbam Sharnajit Singh, recipient of the MSFDS Lifetime Achievement Award, for his contribution to Manipuri cinema, particularly in makeup and art direction. Oja, your dedication will continue to inspire generations to come. With these few words, I thank you all for being part of this celebration of Manipuri cinema. Thank you.
Sunju Pasaspatimayo, Secretary, MSFDS. Asigi pantuk chariba Thorum Siga Marilena, Maruena Manipuri cinema gi, Tengariba challenges, the hopes and aspirations, Sigi undercurrent meaning Mamsi, keynote address the young personal reflect to Wirami Habiramba and Kritina Dumutaks of Ponduxeri.
Matangi asina thoro makha chatha poina ngasigi thoro masigi kai khumna jariba guest of honor amoina lengshin biriba Honorable Minister Art and Culture and Tourism mingoin hangajarabada Sri 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕋𝕸𝕻 ikai khumna jaribana thoro masiga mari leinaba wafam thambiranaba nolukchari.
Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕻, and the First Lady of the Manipur, Madam 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕻, and a respected Honorable Chief Minister, Shri 𝕸𝕋𝸸𝕇, and who also is Chairman of the Manipur State Film Development Society, and a respected distinguished and dignitaries present amongst filmmakers, artists, and film critics, and scholars, members of the film, invitees, and guests. Ngasi 16 Manipur State Film Awards. See, the first time in my life that film awards, I was over there. Nauna taki, koigi. Sarkar sina lag posida. Honorable CM na koi state sigi culture si art si yam phasana koi yang chandaba yadi haidana ina hawai na ise koi karin culture gi. Vivaksi sina vidna inga sigi functional si yawo phangjabani adana Honorable CM boy would amku so hanai kai khunna butchari adu gang sigi senbi langbiri boy koigi film society gi koigi silenau sing se koi state sida puthokpa thudo hindona Manipur gi cinema award si yam ikai khumna botpa aduga thorum sida koigi Manipur gi film society si koi market si am pick pa aduga ikoi resource leitaba aduga film si mapalam gidasu sataba yam phajana sataba ikoi aduna asagi expenditure chali duga live income duga so many difference hoiba aduna ikoi film gi artist sing juga adigi ikoi writer sing director sing ikoi film gi leiba chilinau sing sida asugi mati wa then adugi mathak sida ikoi state sida thoning da ba thodok kayama ikoi sina ikoi sigumba ikoi artist sings da awa se think ya ma piba amase ikoi lam sida leiba chilinau koi kanglup kuntra marina ikoi khundar ga leiba ikoi jati kuntra marina ikoi khundar ga leiba Manipur sida ikoi pikhraba Manipur je ikoi puksel tinadana su leiba gi mawong do to busna ikoi lamdam sida sigumba gi nat ki hoiba culture gi hoiba sakhot thorang ikoi development leiba everything khuding mak tai ikoi si yam sothana leiba se ikoi gi hiram khuding mak sing ikoi thoning da thodo ikoi gi masa sigumba apik pa wakhal lon gi crisis na ikoi hiram khuding mak ta loin maning han madong to ba aina aduna ikoi gi maru ina ngasi gi ikoi gi film gi artist leibir we chilinau sing then adugi matak writer sing script writer sing aduga koi director sing koi na art haiba se koi mioi bagi pungning se sumbangamba aduga mioi bagi wakhal lon se kap mioi se kaphan basung ami nohan basung ami then adugi matak tai koi gi pungning chaw thon basung ami haini aduna koi na artist sing sina matam lebi khibek tai koi state sida thok liba thoning do thodok sing se koi gi writer sing artist sing director sing mayam sing sina koi state sida thoning da ba sigumba thoning da thodok sing ase koi gi ibira kanda koi miyobi gi pungning se koi amatagi oibagi wakhal londa koi amatani haibagi am nusi chanana leibagi sigumba koi cinema gumba puthok pirakpada koi asobu thodang lobi hoi wafam se agi site gi thamjari mayam da aduna ngasigi leiriba koi gi lamdam sida khonai sida koi gi cinema se koi pisak piling dagi koi si yam ai samaksu cinema se am thoi yaujabane angang oing dagi ai se adum mase koi gi honorable CM na yam maram chana haba abra khalam ne si angang oing dai se lupa ani de cinema hall cinema yang do pakse na chen badu asi di koi mamang da koi gi koi film gi da yam thoi yaubiram ba lai oi khraba ai gi yam ba koi gi chan hisnam si ai pisak piling dagi loina jarapani adu matam du da lai bang si se na hong ne yam badu ningsang ai aduna lai bang si gi koi gi film da khongdar be chilinau sing adu koi art da adagi koi leiri boy chilinau mayam punamak sing se koi state sida maning handana koi state se chakhot pada asobot thodang lowi hai wa phum si thamjar ga si gi leibirwa tinbirwa mayam khwai khibek pui kai khun uchar ga si gi wangang bi matam se ai mathang tenen jagi punubu khurum jari jai hind
Shri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕻, Honorable Minister, Art and Culture, and Tourism, Manipur, asigi Taurungi, guest of honor when the Lengsin Beba, Senjeribe Taurum Simbari Lenina, Marueba Wapam Sing Tambiramba, Sarunam Kulet and Tazo Punduxeri.
Tauramaka Tazarak Buena, Nasigi Taurama Sibu, ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯄꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ Honorable Chief Minister Manipur Shri Yumnam Khemchand Singh ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯜꯂꯨꯛꯆꯔꯤ
Masigi, Chief Guest Biwa, Sri Ajay Kumar Balaji, Honorable Governor of Manipur, and Madam Governor, Mera warm regards there Abdulonko. Then Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼 Singh, Honorable Minister, Art and Culture and Tourism, then Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Commissioner, Art and Culture, Amadi Lengjin Biriba, Oja Guru Singh, Film Society Sibu, Nusidran Lakpiriba, ℙ𝗼𝔼 Singh, 𝔸𝕼 Singh, Aipunapu, Lepsari, Mahamasti, Kai Kunduchari. Toito Gandona, we film gay, Matang the Kang Dragasu, the cinema Hibasina, human motivation, Tawi Sinin Tamjaning. But simple story. 1978-79, so I said, Enter the Dragon, I was cinema, si Lakomatam the Bruce Lee. Kui Magi Sanabaki Kusana do, Pamakanda, Kusat Satan Lakdok dance at Naizu, Taekwondo Tamu. I did human motivation is cinema in the Then cinema Kudimakta, Apaba Pataba Yauragasu. Mayam Ying Ina Ying Vidiba Mayamna, Patabudo minus Taroganda, Apabado Kuba Kuningi, Samna, Soleda Amzad Khan and Logi roll do, Ying within why I do Simado Ying and Nusidabam Powi. I know Tamjanidi. I did Mui Basi, cinema, so what human motivation to Bogia, so Mating of Pang, I do mean the Tamjani say, Aduna, I say, Takpigi Vada, I did. Manipur film cinema si koi equipment wat pa tuan the facility kya wat padagi masi koi he na song thoan bangam de haidana takpi gi badu ai thodong na la ring khali maram di ai koi gi film industry si sigi limitation mayam ni jaba hai tai koi gi population jam da bagi masi ai koi na karam mong da ai di karam mong da tuan ba even ai koi na Kolara Puchapada Natraga Bangkok Chapada cinema, South Ki cinema si South Ki cinema si every human in the Southeast Asia, my only young Pawisini. So I don't like so Karehena Masi Kumang Saksana Honabada, I saw Mating Pangsage Haraga, Nasi, Lengjin, Biriba Puno, Ikai Kum, the Butchabulina, I give Warol, Tangas, the Lucian Zari, Tagatsari, Zahin.
Asi Sinjari Thorn Sigi President Winner, Lengsin Biriba Sri Yumnam Khemchand Singh, Honorable Chief Minister Manipur. Presidential speech Yamna Arichuna Pungpana Bibiramba, Tagazabu Pungjari.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we now have the honor to request the Honorable Chief Guest and the Honorable Guest of Honor of today's function to kindly join the Honorable President of today's function on the dais for the award presentation ceremony.
Sixteenth Manipur State Film Award 2024. Sigi Tamjariba Award Singsi Matang Award winner Singi Mapamdani, Kodol Tamjanabagi, Chapjava, make of moment to Hojik, Yogzarakle. Ahanba Tamjariba Wasi MSF DS Lifetime Achievement Award. Hariba award si aikoina lamdam sigi yamni kai khumnajariba. For the last many years, Manipur film gi especially in terms of makeup aduga art direction da masagi hek lejaba skill talent khunimak contribute tawna lakpada soktaba litraba saknairaba oja Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 ozagi mapamda lanthok chananabigidamak sem sajari.
This year, the Lifetime Achievement Award 2024 is being conferred upon Sri 𝔸𝕻𝕻ℸ𝔼𝕻 in recognition of his immense contribution, lifelong dedication, and invaluable service to Manipuri cinema and the artistic fraternity. May we request everyone to join us with a warm and heartfelt round of applause as we celebrate his remarkable journey and achievements. Born in 1937, Sri 𝔸𝕻𝕻ℸ𝔼𝕻 stands among the earliest architects of Manipuri cinema's visual language. As a pioneering makeup artist and art director, his work has left an enduring imprint on the aesthetics and craft of filmmaking in Manipur. Widely regarded as the state's first professional makeup artist in cinema, Sri 𝔸𝕻𝕻ℸ𝔼𝕻 helped shape and refine the screen image of the Manipuri face with a rare blend of technical skill, cultural sensitivity, and artistic intuition. His distinguished career spans several landmark films including Safabi 1976, Khonjail 1980, Paap 1991, and 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 1994. His mastery of the craft earned him Manipur State Film Awards for Best Makeup for Paap and Best Costume Design for 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℚ, achievements that set a benchmark for excellence in the industry.
In recognition of his pioneering role as Manipur's first professional makeup artist in cinema and for a lifetime devoted to shaping the visual aesthetics of Manipuri films. Ladies and gentlemen, aikoina hojik lanthok chariba Lifetime Achievement Award kachariba MSF DS.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now felicitate the members of the non-feature film jury, feature film jury, and the editor of the official award catalogue for their valuable contribution. We now begin the presentation of awards in the non-feature film category, and the first we have is Sri 𝔸𝕗 Ratan. 𝔸𝕗 Ratan is an accomplished filmmaker, cinematographer, and editor with over 3 decades of experience in Manipuri cinema. The respected jury member could not attend today's function due to unavoidable circumstances. The citation and memento will be respectfully handed over to him on behalf of the organizers.
Sige matunda Sri Alexander Leopold. Alexander Leopold, SRF TII graduate ni, Sir Film Felicitation Officer East India, former Director, Manipur State Film Television Institute.
Alexander Leopold, writer, director, and SRFTI alumnus, is the former director of the Manipur State Film and Television Institute. A former film facilitation officer at NMTC, he played a key role in building a film-friendly ecosystem in the eastern region. He also coordinated India's landmark documentation of 350+ languages and brings global experience in film production and storytelling. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have is Jury Chairman for Non-Feature Film category, and sadly, we have to convey our heartfelt wishes for the speedy recovery of our respected Jury Chairman, 𝔸𝕗ℚ𝔼𝕻, who is presently unwell and bedridden. Though he could not be with us today, his invaluable contribution and presence continue to inspire us all. The honor and memento will be personally handed over to him with our deepest respect and warm regards. We pray for his good health and swift recovery.
Ngasigi thorom se suedina ikuna ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯖꯔꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯃꯗꯅꯤ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯔꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯞꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꫭꯀꯦꯅꯃꯥꯛꯆꯝ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔꯅꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯟ ꯐꯤꯆꯔ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯖꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯧ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯌꯧꯍꯟꯖꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now move to the feature film category, and the first jury member we have is Shri Khangimbam Jiten Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Khangimbam Jiten Singh, widely known as 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕑, is a makeup artist from Manipur with over 30 years of experience in theatre, television and film. He has received multiple state awards including Best Makeup for the National Award-winning film 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 2015. Jiten is also a respected mentor and contributor to regional cinema and performing arts.
Shri Khangimbam Jiten Singh, feature film hairiba sigi section sigi panel member oina saruk yabiba ngasi lapiba aduga ikoina lanthokchariba ikai khumnajabsi okpibada numanga kholitan thaksu phondokchari.
Ladies and gentlemen, next jury member we have is Shri 𝔸𝕉𝕁 Singh. 𝔸𝕉𝕁 Singh is a veteran Manipuri theatre film artist and screenwriter with over 35 years of experience. He has acted in more than 100 Manipuri films and written scripts for around 50 feature films. A passionate performer and writer, he received the Best Screenplay Award for 𝔸𝕁 at the 7th Manipur State Film Festival 2010.
𝔸𝕁 film gi screenplay writer oina state award su phangbikraba saknaiba Manipur film gi thawaini actor ni Shri 𝔸𝕁 thagachu phongdochari.
Ladies and gentlemen, next we have 𝔸𝕑𝕁. 𝔸𝕑𝕁 is a celebrated Manipuri actor known for her emotionally resonant performances and disciplined approach to her craft. A recipient of the Manipur State Film Award and the Best Actress title at the Northeast People's Choice Awards, she continues to inspire aspiring actors while actively contributing to the growth of regional cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, 𝔸𝕑𝕁.
Manipuri film gi tonganba fortama video film na horokpa matam adudagi film actor oina saruk yaba horokhibaduna non stop leptuna sunglapkaduna tongan ba film gi itihas ama semok matamda choba contributor weriba Saikom 𝔸𝕑𝕁 ngapalitan thakchu phongdokchari.
Ladies and gentlemen, next jury member we have for feature film category is Shri Robin Wahingbam. Robin Wahingbam is a trained fine artist and alumnus of Vishwa Bharati University, Santiniketan, founded by Rabindranath Tagore. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have is Shri 𝔸𝕎𝔸℉𝕻. 𝔸𝕎𝕉 is a celebrated Manipuri singer, music composer, and actor known for his distinctive musical style and soulful voice. A state award-winning playback singer, he has also acted in Manipuri films, leaving a lasting mark on the region's music and cinema.
Putting forward to artist single, yes. Kubahaw no to kubiyo, 𝔸𝕎𝕁 is right there on the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Would you please give your round of applause?
Ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, we have the jury chairman for feature film category, and he is none other than Mayang-Lambam Romi Maithei. Ladies and gentlemen, Romi Maithei, an acclaimed filmmaker whose award-winning works have brought global recognition to Manipuri cinema. A recipient of the National Film Award, FIPRESCI and NECPEC Awards, he has served as a jury member at prestigious festivals including Indian Panorama. His films reflect a rich blend of tradition and social depth. He also chairs the Mummy Thawan Foundation, nurturing cultural growth in Manipur.
Shri Mayang-Lambam Romi Maithei ngapalitan dom thakchu phongdokchari.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now honor the editor of the official award catalogue, Shri James Khangimbam, an independent documentary filmmaker based in Imphal.
Masamak journalist ni, broadcaster ni, Shri James Khangimbam
His debut documentary film, Mayram, The Fireline, was the opening film at the 17th Mumbai International Film Festival 2022 and was also officially selected for the 15th IDSFFK 2022. His work in progress documentary On the Crossroad is being supported by Imphal Documenta.
Matangi award lantok sanadaba thamjari bisi non-feature film gi category of awards matang han bada special jury mention awards lantok sanadaba gi unamak sem sabalang jabalo jere sigidamak phangbigador ripekai kumnajariba Amarjit Maibam for the film The Untiring Women, highlighting the glorious career of a women footballer, evoking memories, emotions, and a sense of pride. Sina samina substance of the film itself ni Amarjit Maibam sarna reba documentary filmmaker ni.
Ladies and gentlemen, the very first award in this category is Special Jury Mention. And the award for Special Jury Mention for non-feature film category goes to The Untiring Women and the director himself, Amarjit Maibam. Congratulations.
Matang the best film of a debut director and producer Khaba Maimo for his film 𝔸𝕐𝕐, an evocative journey into the heart of a native Quata village, offering an enchanting harmony between man and nature and the need to preserve its root that should never be lost in the wheels of time.
Ladies and gentlemen, best film of a debut director, 𝔸𝕐𝕐, director and producer Khaba Maimo.
Matanga Best Editor Award goes to Sankhajit Biswas for the film 𝕸𝕐𝕍.
Ladies and gentlemen, the awardee could not attend today's function due to some unavoidable circumstances. We will hand it over the citation and award to him personally.
Next we have Best Cinematographer Award. It goes to Sunny Sarungbam for the film 𝕸𝕐𝕍.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Cinematographer for the 16th Manipur State Film Awards 2024 goes to Sunny Sarungbam for the film 𝕸𝕐𝕍. The cinematographer thoughtfully captures various moments that convey the story's essence beyond the constraints of timeline and frame.
Congratulations, Sunny Sarungbam. And coming up next is Best Director. The award goes to Meena Longjam for the film 𝕸𝕐𝕍.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Director for the 16th Manipur State Film Awards 2024 for the category non-feature films, and no doubt it goes to Meena Longjam for the film 𝕸𝕐𝕍. Masterfully, the director crafted the unexpected events into a resounding film of human spirits and imagination. Ladies and gentlemen, Meena Longjam.
Best Non-Feature Film. Best Non-Feature Film, ladies and gentlemen, goes to 𝕸𝕐𝕍, producer Jani Vishwanath Meena Longjam, and director Meena Longjam, ladies and gentlemen.
Would like to request 𝔸𝕍𝕉 to be on the stage and to receive the award all together with the producer and the director. 𝔸𝕍𝕉 𝔸𝕍𝕉.
Through a poignant narrative of collaboration, the film captures the highs and lows of turning fragile human aspirations into vibrant reality, celebrating the delicate interplay between ambition and fate.
Ladies and gentlemen, Iche Laibi, Bahaki Punchiwarida number film ni mayamna hana so film asi yengbikraba ngakdani dubu ngasi award asi phangbasida mayam so harau tayamba nungai ba phongdok poina ahoba kuba kubigani.
Isena ngasi thorum dengbirapa ngangpheli tene chebu thagachebu phongdoksari protagonist ni film gi ngasi gi poina lan thoksari ba awards lagui ngangpheli tene thagachebu phongdoksari.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Moving forward, we move into feature film category. And the first award we have is Special Jury Mention. And it goes to 𝔸𝕉𝕋𝔸𝕝ℎ𝕗𝕋. Director, Mayang M. Ratan Singh. For costume design for the film, not the director, so sorry, Mayang M. Ratan Singh. For costume design for the film, 𝔸𝕉𝕋𝔸𝕝ℎ𝕗𝕋. For commendable craftsmanship in costume design that authentically reflects the historical era and enriches each character with visual integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, Mayang Ratan Singh.
Thank you very much. Next we have Best Lyricist. The award goes to Guru Reuben Masangwa for the film Joseph's Son. Ladies and gentlemen, Guru Reuben Masangwa.
For a beautiful score that interweaves native instruments with emotion, elevating the film's atmosphere and storytelling. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Lyricist for 16th Manipur State Film Awards 2024, none other than Guru Reuben Masangwa, Padma Shri. A very hearty congratulations, Oza.
Best Screenplay Writer, Best Screenplay Adapted. The award goes to Hawan Pawan Kumar and Sudhir Nauribam for the film Joseph's Son.
I would like to request Sudhir Nauribam for the film Joseph's Son. Winner for the Best Screenplay Writer and Best Screenplay Adapted category. Ladies and gentlemen, Sudhir Nauribam. For a poignant narrative that traces a father's desperate search for his son, capturing both the intimate pain of loss and the broader turmoil of a fractured homeland.
Sudhir Nauribam, ngapali tanadum thagachebu phongdoksari. Matanda Best Male Playback Singer. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome for the award. May I call upon Alvin Schreibam for the film Tamphamani. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Male Playback Singer.
For his rich and resonant voice that infused the narrative with emotional depth, elevating the film's musical and storytelling experience. The very versatile, our very own, ladies and gentlemen, Arvind Soibam.
Next we have Best Female Playback Singer goes to 𝔸𝕉𝕋𝕸𝕝 for the film Thamba. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, very beautiful, gorgeous and very talented female playback singer 𝔸𝕉𝕋𝕸𝕝 for her mellifluous voice that infused every note with emotion, enriching the film's soul and deepening its emotional resonance. The Best Playback Singer Female Award is conferred to her.
𝔸𝕉𝕋𝕸𝕝 thagachebu loinana Best Music Director and background score. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Kuidrom Anil Singh, better known as TNOSD, for the film 𝔸𝕉𝕋𝕸𝕊𝕕.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, we have Best Makeup Artist for Feature Film category, and it goes to Abujam Ragini Devi and Wangjam Chandrima Chenu for the film 𝔸𝕉𝕋𝕸𝕊𝕉. Ladies and gentlemen.
For exceptional makeup that authentically transform actors into vivid historical characters, enhancing the film's period realism. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Abujam Ragini Devi and Wangjam Chandrima Chenu.
Adorned with so many prestigious awards, ladies and gentlemen, this year again the award is being conferred to Abujam Ragini Devi and Wangjam Chandrima Chenu.
Matanda, Best Art Designer. The award goes to 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 for the film 𝕍𝕐. 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻.
Best Art Designer 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 for the film 𝕍𝕐, for meticulously crafting an immersive village shape that authentically evokes the rustic charm and atmosphere of rural life.
Next we have Best Audiographer, Location Sound Recordist goes to 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 for the film Joseph's Son.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have 𝔸𝕎𝔸℻𝔻, Best Audiographer, Location Sound Recordist for the film Joseph's Son. Emotional fidelity, enhancing the authenticity and impact of the performances. Thank you so much for making your presence and receiving the award from the Honorable Governor of Manipur. Congratulations.
And now, Best Sound Designer Award. The Best Sound Designer Award goes to Loitongwam Sunil and Boni Ningthokja for the film 𝔸𝕉𝕋𝕸𝕊𝕕.
For crafting an immersive soundscape that seamlessly enhances the film's atmosphere and deepens its emotional resonance. Ladies and gentlemen, Loitongwam Sunil and Boni Ningthokja, winner for the Best Sound Designer Award for 16th Manipur State Film Award 2024.
Congratulations. Thank you very much for coming. And next is Best Editor, ladies and gentlemen. Best Editor. Here is an announcement. Two persons from two different films won the award. The award is Best Editor. Goes to Sankhajit Biswas for the film Joseph's Son, and 𝔸𝕋 Mongsaba for the film 𝔸𝕑𝕋𝕸𝕊𝕕.
Ladies and gentlemen, 𝔸𝕋 Mongsaba for the film 𝔸𝕑𝕋𝕸𝕊𝕕, Best Editor. For deftly balancing high-octane action with narrative clarity, delivering a sharp and cohesive cinematic experience. Ladies and gentlemen, 𝔸𝕋 Mongsaba.
Congratulations. And next, Best Cinematographer, ladies and gentlemen. Best Cinematographer, what goes to Joydeep Bose for the film Joseph's Son.
Ladies and gentlemen, is not here with us today. So moving forward, Best Child Artist, and it goes to Baby Lamnganbi Laishram for the film 𝕍𝕐. Please welcome with a big round of applause, please encourage the young artist who is moving her way to the Manipuri film industry. Ladies and gentlemen, baby 𝔸𝕻𝕋𝕸𝕗 for a heartfelt performance that captured the spirit of Thambal with maturity beyond her years. Ladies and gentlemen, baby 𝔸𝕻𝕻𝕗.
Congratulations, baby 𝔸𝕻𝕻𝕻. And now, Best Supporting Actor Female. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕋𝕸𝕗 for the film Thambal. 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕗.
Iche 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕗, Best Supporting Actor Female, for a compelling performance that enriched the narrative with emotional depth and subtle nuance, leaving a lasting impact on the story. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Supporting Actor Female, 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕗.
Thank you very much and congratulations, 𝕸𝕻𝕻. And coming up next is Best Supporting Actor Male. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to 𝔸𝕋𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕋𝕸 for the film 𝕬𝕑𝕐𝕗𝕐.
For displaying exceptional versatility, bringing layered nuance and authenticity to every shade of the character. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for 𝔸𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕗, Best Supporting Actor Male.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is time for Best Actor Female. The award, the very big award, goes to Pinky Saikong for the film Thambal. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pinky Saikong, Best Singer, Best Actor Female for the film Thambal. Congratulations, Pinky. And moving on, next category we have is Best Actor Male, and it goes to 𝕬𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻 for the film 𝕬𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻.
For a powerful and compelling portrayal of ℙ𝕼𝕻𝕻, capturing the strength, courage, resilience of one of Manipur's most revered historical heroes. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to 𝕬𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻.
As the awardee is not here with us today, we would like to hand it over the award to him personally later. So ladies and gentlemen, the next category we have is Best Director, and it goes to ℙ 𝕐𝕋 for the film Joseph's Son, for his compelling storytelling that vividly captures the contemporary realities of Manipur. And sadly, he is again not with us today here. So moving forward, we have the last award for the 16th Manipur State Film Awards 2024, and it is Best Feature Film. Ladies and gentlemen, it goes to 𝕬𝕑𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻. Producer 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻, Director 𝕐𝕋𝕻𝕻𝕻 Ladies and gentlemen, a scholarly young man goes on a research on the patriotism of ℙ𝕼𝕻𝕻, the Prince of Manipur who valiantly fought against Burma during the 7 years devastation of Manipur. He sacrificed his life for restoring freedom of Manipur from the hands of Burma, but never thought of being the king of Manipur. Director's statement: the patriotism in the blood of the people of Manipur in the hills and valley never vanishes from generation to generation.
Best Feature Film Award goes to 𝕬𝕑𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻, producer 𝕸𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻𝕻, and Director Aurongbam Maipag-Sana, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much for doing the honor. Now I would like to request our respected Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼, to address the gathering.
Very good evening to all of you. 𝔸𝕝𝔻. Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Manipur, Shri 𝕸𝕋𝔸𝕃, Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, Shri 𝔸𝕝𝔻, Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, 𝕸𝕋𝔸𝕃, Gyan Prakash ji, other senior officers, distinguished members of the film fraternity, respected jury members, artists, technicians, scholars, invited guests, and lovers of cinema. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today at the 16th Manipur State Film Awards 2024, an occasion dedicated to recognizing excellence, creativity, and commitment in Manipuri cinema. Cinema is not merely a form of entertainment, it's a powerful medium of storytelling, reflection, and cultural expression. Through films, we see the aspirations, struggles, history, identity, and emotions of people. In this regard, Manipuri cinema has played a vital role in preserving and presenting the unique cultural heritage and lived experience of Manipur. I take this opportunity to put on record my appreciation for our filmmakers, actors, writers, cinematographers, editors, musicians, sound designers, technicians, and all others whose dedication and hard work make these productions possible. We see it as a production of 3 hours, but a lot of effort goes into making a film. I also acknowledge the valuable contribution of film critics, researchers, and authors who document, study, and analyze the journey of Manipuri cinema, thereby enriching our understanding of this important art form. The films reflect a wide range of themes, including history, social realities, human resilience, and the preservation of indigenous traditions and values. These works demonstrate the depth of creativity, sensitivity, and storytelling talent present in our state. The Manipur State Film Awards have an important role in recognizing artistic excellence, encouraging emerging filmmakers, strengthening the film culture of the state, and promoting Manipuri cinema beyond regional boundaries. Such platforms not only honor achievements but also inspire future generations to pursue cinema with greater dedication and purpose. I would especially like to encourage young filmmakers to continue exploring new stories, new perspectives, and innovative cinematic techniques. At the same time, it's important that we preserve our local stories, languages, traditions, and values. The strength of Manipuri cinema lies in its rootedness, and it is this rootedness that can help it reach wider audiences across India and the world. I extend my appreciation to the organizers, jury members, and all those involved in conducting these awards and preparing the catalogue. Your efforts have contributed to the successful celebration of Manipuri cinema and its creative community. I would like to especially, I forgot to take his name at the beginning, the Secretary of MSFDS, who has taken keen interest. All the congratulations to you for organizing this program and bringing all of us also on this stage, though we are not actors. Thank you. I heartily congratulate all the award winners and nominees. Your achievements are a matter of pride, not only for the film fraternity, but for the entire state. May your work continue to inspire, educate, and bring people together. I extend my best wishes to the entire film fraternity for a bright and meaningful future. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Manipur, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻.
Thank you. Thank you very much, our respected chief guest, Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼, Honorable Governor of Manipur, for giving us very enthusiastic and valuable words with us.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, we now present Manipur 𝔸𝕍𝕝 by the Government Dance College. The traditional folk singing style is one of the most loved art forms of Manipur. The songs may explore different themes, but the tune and style remain unique. In the present context, the theme portrays the beautiful flora, fauna, vegetables, nature, lifestyle, and social environment of this lane. The Shirui lily, the state flower, the Loktak Lake with its floating island, the Sangai, the dancing deer found nowhere else in the world except Manipur, youthful joys and parental care are all beautifully depicted. The song concludes by describing the close relationship between the hill and valley people and their shared role in protecting this lane with unity and harmony.
Now presenting you Manipur 𝔸𝕍𝕝 by the artists of Government Dance College, ladies and gentlemen.
Manipur sana pumar Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
Masigi pangtukjariba thorum sigi Chief Guest President duga guest of honor matam sangna yam sangna leibirame Manipur gi chillaba thogai marakta pangtukjariba thorum siba pung phan binana bidamuk lengbirakpa adu hojik ekoi thorum di loijadri will continue adu Chief Guest President adu guest of honor gi mafam dani
Ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, may we now respectfully invite jury member Mr. 𝔸𝕉𝕁 to share his thoughts.
Please come.
Thank you. What an evening of celebration and jubilation. This is the story from the non-fiction jury member. Our jury member, Chairman Sri Oken Omancha and co-jury member Saikam Ratan are unable to be present today due to health reasons. Our fraternity continue to pray for their well-being and speedy recoveries. And I, on my behalf and on their behalf, extend a hearty congratulations to all the award winners. We, the jury member, had the joy and the privilege to view and evaluate amazing, compelling human stories and human experiences. We, the jury members, observed that the contemporary Manipuri filmmakers continue to explore themes of identity, memory, resilience, conflict, tradition, values, displacement, and hope with increasing cinematic maturity and creative confidence. The jury members sincerely hope these awards will encourage filmmakers to strive for even greater artistic excellence and inspire future generations to contribute meaningfully to the power and the magic of this medium. Kurumjari, thank you.
Thank you very much, my friend, Sri 𝔸𝕉𝕁, for your short and a very enthusiastic and valuable speech. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we now invite Sri Romi Maithei, Jury Chairman, Feature Film Category, to address the gathering.
Matam kui nedegi khorang na ngai duna laklaba ngasigi 16th Manipur State Film Award ngasidi yai pharaba numit asida sahi koigi ani makhai chupna koigi ngairu matung ngasidi Manipur cinema gi damakta senja chongjeriba thomi singda koigi cinematic aesthetic amadi technical excellence ani si recognition pinanaba honaba dugumba lisang sena chatharakpa Manipur State Film Award king asi taratuk suba Manipur State Award phangbiriba mana phangbiriba khwai khudung pu ahan bada thamoi nungi harau budu koi kutol tawjari loinana akhoi khwai punamaki atangba lan oibiriba koi punamaki masigi 16 Manipur State Film Awards asida lifetime management award ki mana lanthok seriba koi punamaki oza koi ki
ꯁ꯭ꯋꯔꯅꯖꯤꯠꯄꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯀꯣꯛꯅꯣꯟꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯜꯂꯒ ꯖꯨꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯏꯟꯊꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯕꯗꯤ with our brilliant mind ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ dedicated Manipuri cinema ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯔꯕ respected Sir Tamo ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯁ Commissioner Art and Culture ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯕ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯋꯥꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯛꯂꯣꯛ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯕ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 17 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯔꯒ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡ ꯆꯥꯗꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯃꯟꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯕ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯒꯕꯔꯅꯔꯗ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯒꯕꯔꯅꯔꯅ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯨ 17 ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯃ ꯊꯥꯖꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯖꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒ 2023ꯗ ꯅꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 16th Manipur State Film Award ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯟꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯔꯦꯇꯤꯚꯂꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯟꯊꯕ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯜꯂꯕ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯅ ꯂꯤꯁꯥꯡ ꯁꯤꯠꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯁꯊꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯆꯣꯡꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯀꯛꯅꯤꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯄꯤꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯖꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯅꯣꯟ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯖꯤꯠ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯖꯤꯇꯦꯟ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯖꯝ ꯃꯟꯗꯥ ꯂꯩꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯀꯂꯥ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯦꯃꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯟ ꯋꯥꯍꯦꯡꯕꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯃꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯤꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ 16 ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯇꯦꯒꯣꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯕꯁꯤ ꯗ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯣꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯊꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯤꯛꯊꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁꯦꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯁꯦꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯎꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯊꯧꯃꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯋꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ 16 ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯥꯎꯟ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯎꯟ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯤꯔꯥꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯝꯒꯗꯧꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯎꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ 16 ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯟꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯁꯇꯣꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯕꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯆ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯕꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤ ꯍꯤꯁꯇꯣꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯕꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤ ꯂꯤꯅꯅꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯏ aduga adugi matungina best film se akoina maraibak ningba herasandra haiba film sida akoina munna khanaraba matung aduga unanimously masina best film oipam thoi haibasi akoi best film nge manasi akoina adumaina thambiu haina state akoina recommend tawi aduga amuk khoi yamna well talented actors singi manungda akoi gi singer su oiba akoi gi tungda akoina su masi akoi gi citation ibadu su akoina thamammi thambal film da koi thambal gi saktam da langkhibi hosiki pinky saikom si mahak isai sakpa khaktang natana mangonda acting gi yamna energy yawbusi koi gi jury sing namasi thengnei aduga masi punamak loinamak subsalakanda koi gi manipuri cinema na mangda changsan nabagi koi gi khongthang amada koi punamak sokthaba leitana film gi thomi khudimak na koi manipur cinema bu itha manungda koi gi puningda wakhalda chetna thamaga let Manipuri cinema prosper. Thank you.
Best film gi chairman jury wina tarataruk suba state film awards da saruk yabikiba Romi Mete chairman jury oibagi thengnagiba that very struggle ma'am the need experiences shared with mungang kulitan thagachba pungloksari.
And ladies and gentlemen, now to deliver the vote of thanks, may we invite Srimati Asem Rangina Chanu, MSS Joint Secretary, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur.
As we come close to the memorable evening, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks. Although the chief guest, the president, the guest of honor, and some other distinguished dignitaries had to leave early due to prior official commitments, I, on behalf of the MFSDS, are incredibly thankful to them for the sparing time from their busy schedule to be with us. Our sincere appreciation goes to the distinguished jury panels for the feature and non-feature film categories, whose careful deliberation and contribution in making the award ceremony meaningful and possible. I extend my heartfelt thanks to the Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Commissioner Art and Culture, Sir 𝔸𝕍𝕋 ji, and Director Art and Culture for their constant guidance and support, and to the Executive Board members of MFSDS for their valuable supervision, encouragement, and advice throughout the process. We deeply appreciate Haisnam Office of Design for the conceptual design and elegant facelift of the venue and auditorium, helping create the atmosphere befitting this prestigious occasion. Our sincere thanks also go to Sri R.K. Bikramjit and Sri Jaiprakash Sharma of Sharma Printing for the design and printing of the official award catalog. We gratefully acknowledge Kisan Audiovisual for partially sponsoring the special lighting arrangement for the ceremony, Extreme Entertainment for outdoor lighting and decor, S Sound Design and Engineering for sound arrangements, and Rem Wedding World for the elegant floral decoration in and around the auditorium. A heartfelt appreciation to all the performers of today's function, including 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝕍 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝕋 and Ensemble for their melodious performance, and Leanda Folk and Classical Academy for beautifully presenting the cosmology of creation on stage. We also extend our thanks to Rainbow Tent House for their contribution to the event arrangements, the dedicated volunteers and ushers of 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻, along with participants of the one-man acting class organized by the Manipur Cine Directors Guild, for their tireless support and hospitality. Our sincere gratitude to Rolitos Eatery for tea and refreshments, Sri James Khangimbam for his contribution as editor of the 16th MSFA 2024 official catalogue, and KhutSem Live for live streaming this evening's program. We also sincerely thank the print and electronic media for their valuable presence and coverage of the event. Last, but certainly not the least, a special word of appreciation to all the award winners of the 16th MSFA 2024 and to our wonderful Masters of Ceremony, Sri 𝔸𝕉𝔻ℎ𝕗𝕋𝕸 and Ms. 𝕷𝕸𝕋ℸ𝕇𝕉 for gracefully anchoring today's program. To everyone who contributed in ways great and small to make this event successful, thank you all for your support, cooperation, and commitment. Thank you all. 𝔸𝕉𝕻𝔻𝕻.
Srimati Asim Ranginachanu, Joint Secretary Art and Culture Government Manipur, Pangtuk Serbiatorum Sigi, Lapiribu Kwai Puna Makimapumda, Tagat Wahi Tambiramba, Nonkai Litana, Tagachapa Punduksiri.
Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we come to the end of the formal proceedings of the award presentation ceremony of the 16th Manipur State Film Awards 2024. Congratulations once again to all the winners, and thank you all for your gracious presence. We now request everyone to kindly proceed for refreshments, followed by the screening of the award-winning films. Have a pleasant evening. 𝔸𝕉𝔻𝕻𝕗𝕉 𝔸𝕉𝕻𝕻𝕗𝕉.
사람들 사들어도 야로예.